Hello viewers. Welcome to our channel Sparkle Cooking. In today's video, we are going to learn an easy beef paya recipe. So, first we start with the ingredients. 1 kilogram beef trotters in cleaned and cut pieces. 1 cup of wheat flour for thickening. 1 or 2 cup of cooking oil. 2 finely chopped large size onions. 2 chopped tomatoes. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Salt as desired. Fresh coriander leaves as desired. 1 sliced lemon. Recipe: clean the trotters and then soak them in water for 2 to 3 hours or overnight to remove excess blood. Prepare spice bag, optional. Tie the cinnamon, green cardamom pods, cloves, and black cardamom in a muslin cloth to create a spice bag. After soaking the trotters thoroughly, in a large pot heat the cooking oil over medium heat and add chopped onions in it, and saute until golden brown. Then add ginger garlic paste and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell disappears. After that add chopped tomatoes and cook until they are soft and the oil separates. Now add coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and salt, mix well, and cook for a few minutes until the spices are aromatic. After that, add the cleaned trotters and spice bag, if using, and mix well with the masala. If you prefer a thicker gravy, make a paste by mixing wheat flour with water and then add it to the curry and stir constantly to avoid lumps. Lower the heat and let the trotters simmer for about 2 to 3 hours or until they are tender, and stirring it occasionally. Add hot spices to the stew and mix well. Then adjust the salt and spices according to your taste. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot trotters curry with naan or rice and lemon wedges with your loved ones. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos, and share them.